Do you like plums? This fruit is wonderfully delicious and nutritious, while providing many benefits to our health. This sweet, juicy fruit can be eaten fresh or dried and is included in several cake, juice and smoothie recipes. It's considered to be a great natural remedy for constipation, but it has other amazing benefits. Plums have benefits such as 1. Gaining muscle mass. Plums are an excellent food for anyone who practices physical activities, since they help gain and maintain lean mass. Since this fruit is rich in potassium, it helps our body transmit nerve impulses and contract our muscles. The lack of this mineral can even cause cramps and muscle fatigue. 2. Regulating bowel movements. One of the plum's best-known properties is that it's an excellent natural laxative which can help people who have a slower gastrointestinal transit and thereby suffer from constipation. A healthy bowel is directly linked to our good mood and a reduced risk of bowel cancer. 3. Treating diabetes. Plums help control our blood sugar size. They have a low glycemic index, meaning that the rate at which carbohydrates are absorbed into the blood is significantly lower. Eating plums can even lower the glycemic index of your whole meal. 4. Preventing anemia and improving immune resistance. Plums contain iron, which is essential for the creation of red blood cells, and vitamin C, which improves our intestines' iron absorption, preventing anemia. 5. Protecting against various diseases. Plums are rich in antioxidant compounds that eliminate extremely harmful free radicals which can cause premature aging and favor heart disease, atherosclerosis, and cancer, among others. 6. Reducing cholesterol. One study showed that drinking prune juice reduces blood pressure and cholesterol levels due to the insoluble fibers present in the fruit. These fibers are absorbed by the bacteria in our large intestine, which then act to reduce cholesterol levels. 7. Weight loss. Although fruit is not the best choice if you want to lose weight since they're high in sugar, but some options like plums can actually be beneficial. Not only are they rich in fiber that improves gastrointestinal transit, but they also promote satiety by reducing our appetite. 8. Improving bone health. Many researchers have also demonstrated the benefits of plum in bone maintenance and recovery. This is possible due to the amount of compounds that aid in reversal of bone mass loss. A good way to include plums in your diet by drinking plum water. It's really easy to make. All you need is 6 plums and some water. Place the plums in a bowl of water and refrigerate them. Let them sit overnight. It's recommended that you drink this plum water half an hour before breakfast